Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to use iPhone as camera on OBS. Using your iPhone as a camera on OBS through Arian webcam is a great way to get higher video quality without buying a dedicated webcam. Arian lets your iPhone stream video wirelessly to your Windows PC over Wi-Fi or USB. Once set up, OBS can easily detect it as a webcam source. To begin, download and install OBS Studio on your Windows computer. Install it on the official Arian website. Now go to your iPhone and install the Arian webcam app from the App Store. Then make sure both your iPhone and PC are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open the Arian app on your iPhone and launch the Arian program on your Windows PC. Wait until your iPhone camera feed appears on your computer screen. Keep both devices close to your router for a stable connection. Open OBS Studio on your Windows PC and click the plus button under the Sources panel. Click OK. Select Video Capture Device from the list. And the device drop-down, choose Arian webcam as the camera source. Adjust the resolution and click OK in OBS, then start your streaming or recording. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.